Hey everybody, this is Daniel from the Go-To family. So right now we're in Frangokastello Beach actually, which is a destination on the southern side of Crete. And we came here, well, for two things. We came here for the castle, which is right behind me. They're doing some construction. It looks like some massive construction. Now we came here 3 years ago actually, and we didn't do the beach. We just did the castle, the Frangokastello castle, and it's really nice inside. It's like a ruin of an old castle. Sadly, it's closed today. Now we're on the beach right here. The issue is that there's this crazy wind. Alright, so that was a massive fail, so we wanted to come and enjoy the beach. You're just too crazy windy. The kids are not really happy with the beach at all. They just want to go. So it's way too windy and the sand really gets in your eyes and it can hit your skin. It feels really uncomfortable. So we gotta go now. I don't know if it's always like this, but today definitely unpleasant to be down there. So how did you guys like that beach?
I hated it. 0 stars. Absolutely 0 stars.
0 stars.
Hey Mom,
Rose, how did you like that beach?
no.
What?
No, that beach.
So the beach was a bit of a bust. So what we did is we tried to get away as far as we could from the beach as possible because it was just, the wind is just too crazy. So we found this little place that is up in the mountains, a little higher up above water level. It's called Restaurant Austria, and it's just like a nice, charming little place. It offers a beautiful view without you being too close to the insane wind. I don't know what's going on today, but even the locals, they say this kind of wind is just crazy. It's not something that usually happens. So we sat here, we ordered a bunch of Greek specialties here. So we got the Dakos and we just got a spinach pie here. So the Dakos is like this nice Cretan style. It's almost like a salad with bread, and it has this nice spread of tomato and cheese on it, but the bread is like this rusk. It's like this kind of like cracker-like piece of bread, or multiple pieces of bread, and it's just a beautiful thing to eat here in Crete. It's really delicious. And also we got the spinach pie. So first off, let's try the spinach pie. Just a nice little spinach pie here, and oh, it's nice and hot. Here we go. Looks like a little pita. Here we go. Wow, that's so hot. Let's break this up. Oh, and look at all that spinach in there. Wow. That is so hot. It's loaded with that spinach. Wow. Mmm. That is just very nice and hot. And I'm not sure if it's a pita. It looks like actually 2 pitas, almost like a spinach pita sandwich here. But it's nice and kind of buttery on the outside. That spinach is nice and flavorful. It's a little salty. There is, I can't tell if there's much else, maybe a little bit of garlic, but that's about it. It's all about that nice fluffy and buttery bread and that spinach on the inside. Dakos is like the Cretan version of a bruschetta. It's the local variety of bruschetta, which is like bread with tomatoes and some fresh basil, olive oil, some garlic. It's just the same, just a little different, but just as delicious. So I'm just gonna break off a piece of this bread rusk right here, and look at that. It comes with this beautiful spread of tomato. It's just like this crushed tomato, finely chopped in there, just beautiful. And you can see that cheese at the top. I believe that is some local Cretan cheese, and you can just see those herbs that are all around there. And of course it's soaking in some olive oil as well with that tomato. So let's try this out. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. That is amazing. Mmm. That rusk is hard and cracker-like, but because it's absorbing all those juices from the tomato and the olive oil, it's nice and soft on the inside, yet still crunchy on the outside. And you get a little bit of that saltiness from that cheese and a little bit of freshness from those herbs. This is delicious. And this souvlaki just got here, the chicken souvlaki. They're very generous with their portion of souvlaki. You get 3 sticks for about €7 with some French fries, and you get a little bit of tomatoes with some cucumbers and some tzatziki. So let's try this out. And you can see that these were just freshly taken off the grill. You can see that char on the stick right there. Let's try it out. That is very, very soft and tender. Quite pleasant. Love those Greek herbs all over the chicken souvlaki. But I really like that they cooked it nice and tender and it's not overdone. That is very good.
What do you rate it?
I rated a 7.5 out of 10. And this is what it's about. Just check out the view of the southern Mediterranean Sea right here on the south coast of Crete. Just look at this beautiful, magical scenery. I love the south of Crete. I might like it better than the north. The north more popular, but the south just a little more rural, a little more country-like. And just check out this beautiful view. Of course, we know the beach today, not possible because it's so windy. We were actually over there. That's where Frangokastello is, on that side, on that tip. And we are heading over on this side to Horos Sfakion. So that's where we're going to next. On the road between Horos Sfakion and Frangokastello, you'll find a small roadside organic shop that has some great products to take home. Some of our favorites are the handmade soap, the olive oil balm, and the lavender essential oil. All the products are made by the owner, and he is really good at answering any questions that you may have. Horos Sfakion is a small town on the south coast of Crete. It's a popular stopping point for people wanting to hike Imbros Gorge and visit the small village of Lutro and Gavdos Island by ferry. Ferries leave throughout the day at set times from the town's harbor. Most people only spend the night here, but we suggest you stay a little longer just to relax and mix with the locals. The village has 2 small beaches that provide great relief during the hot Cretan summers. The seaside tavernas serve up some really tasty fresh fish and at a fair price too. One of our favorite places to eat is called Samaria Tavern, which also has a hotel above with amazing sea views and at a fairly economical price. A little further down the walking road is a small mini mart where you can pick up all essentials you may need. One of the most popular places to stop at is called Café de Spinach. The lady that owns the cafe is actually a relative of the owner of the restaurant we visited earlier in the vlog. The cafe is famous for its homemade desserts, and in our opinion, she serves up the best Sfakion pie that we have ever had. The Sfakion pie is a mix between a pancake and a crepe, and it's usually stuffed with soft mazitra cheese. The pie is then pan-fried, and the exterior is slightly crispy while soft on the inside. And to finish it off, you drizzle some local honey to create the most amazing tasting dish. We love how it is made using just very simple ingredients, and they are local, yet the flavor is so complex. Lastly, we also recommend visiting Marco's and Niki, a small bakery. They serve up some fresh orange juice, coffee, and some Greek pastries all day long. Okay, this is gonna do it for this vlog, guys. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more vlogs from Crete. Our next stop is the secluded village of Lutro. This is one of our favorite spots in the entire world. So be sure to hit the bell to be notified when we post it and other vlogs from around Crete. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.